Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today's vlog is super exciting as we are going on a picnic at a JHUM cultivation field. Today we are heading into the hills not just for a picnic but for a glimpse into one of the oldest farming tradition, JHUM cultivation. Fresh air, simple food and stories rooted in the soil. Come with me, let's explore something timeless. If you have never heard of JHUM farming before, stay tuned. We are going to explore the field and enjoy some peaceful time in nature. So let's go, and yeah, please keep watching till the end. Thank you. Yay! If you love nature, fresh air and peaceful surroundings, you'll definitely enjoy a picnic at a JHUM field. It's quiet, green and full of air to beauty. The kind of place that slows you down in the best way. Feeling so excited right now. Can't wait to explore and just soak in the vibe. Look at the views, so peaceful, so raw, just nature being nature. Love how everything here feels connected. The land, the crops, even the silence. Okay, finally we have reached our destination. And wow, just look at this place. Total peace, fresh air and green all around. JHUM is more than just agriculture, it's a way of life. Farmers grow upland rice, millets, chilies, maize, all without machines. Once they harvest, they leave the land fallow, giving it years to regenerate before using it again. It's farming that listens to nature. This little plant here is king chili, small but seriously powerful. It is one of the hottest chilies in the world. First time I'll lay ringile. Khapkitova. Ini bo, lainnya lama pikir lagi ke? Lainnya lama lagi ke? Lainnya lama. Enjoy sama. Enjoy. For drinking water. Mana tu lain kita ada tu. Ada ku shubu. Kita ada ku shubu. No. Hey! Hey, Shlo. Hey! Alo Shay. Lagi na, Auntie. Wait. Lagi busuk na ya. 좀 봐봐봐. 다빈우, 가봐. 이렇게 그래. 이 lover. 근데 자이시라 너네. 다빈우, 가봐 이거 뭐. 가봐. 내 배가니 가봐. 내 배가니 태나. Hello, Chef. Wow, baby bana, we. Wow, baby bana, baby na. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Look at this. Oh, even picnic le here shizava cho. Shizava we. Не бачу. Бачачо, пикник швена. Ja сюда.